YouTube. It is Wednesday. Oh my god, the date. I don't know what day it is. I have to figure out what day it is. Let's see, what day is it? Today's Wednesday. And today is... So guys, it is Wednesday, May 3rd. And it's 11:31 a.m. It's 8 degrees outside, feeling like 5, and I'm on the Scarborough RT. Oh my goodness. I have braved this trip, and I'm taking it right now. So, wish me luck on this rickety ancient thing. Wow. I've seen you guys film it, and it just looks so stunning. And now I'm actually riding it, maybe for the second time or third time. Wow, maybe I'll stand over here. Wow, this is even better than the CNE. Oh my goodness. This is incredible. I can't believe they're getting rid of this. Look at this view. Wow. Anyway, enjoy the ride, guys, and I'll unplug this.
McCowan.
Thanks, officer.
The next station is Scarborough Centre, Scarborough Centre Station.
Now we're arriving at Scarborough Centre Station. How amazing. That's where I'm going to get off, actually. Oh, look at that. Let's see, what was the last stop? Scarborough Centre. Oh no, McCowan is the next stop, but I'm not getting off there. Okay, that was riveting. Oh my gosh. Wow, it's like an amazing ride. But there was a bad smell, and I think it just smelled like washroom or something in there. And then I went to the next one behind it, and the smell was still there, so it was a little strange. Welcome to Scarborough Centre Station, and I'm actually planning to ride a bus. So once oh, look at that, I should film a little here. This is absolutely incredible. Coming out here is like I'm in a completely different city. Well, actually feels like a different country, actually. It's quite amazing, and I'm going to explore a little and see you guys in the next video. And there seems to be a protest going on here or something, I don't know what, but for a keepsake, I'm going to get a transfer so I can remember that I came here on this day.
Hi, Peter.
Scarborough Centre Station. Okay. All right. Orient myself here. Huh. All right. Let's see. Where are the buses? I'm gonna have to find the buses soon. It's very different than Etobicoke, the experience out here. It's just unlike Etobicoke entirely. I'm not saying that in a bad way, it's just a very different experience. Toronto is so wide and vast, and oh, here we go, buses straight ahead. So we'll see you guys in the next video, and enjoy your day, and thank you for watching.